Hey, welcome back. So, today I will challenge myself and do street photography only at one location. Today's location is Copenhagen Central Station, a busy location perfect for candid street photography. I pass by the central station quite often, and I've thought to myself many times that this place must have people with interesting stories that would make great candid photos. So, let's give it a try. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the next 6.5 minutes. I headed down to one of the platforms and quickly found interesting subjects to photograph. But walking around with a visible and rather large camera, I got noticed. Well, that's life of a street photographer, but I managed to get a few cool candid shots here. After a quick round of the central station from the inside, I headed back to the back entrance. Here I stood for a good 25 minutes and had a bit of a trouble finding a good spot where I wasn't so noticeable. I had a bit of trouble of getting clean shots as people came out of the entrance in bulk, and it was hard to spot that one interesting person or situation, so not an ideal spot to camp out at. Also, the 55mm focal length is not long enough. A 85mm would have been better for some of the photos. The one location challenge was fun to do, but presented a whole different set of issues. As I mentioned before, finding the right spot, amount of people coming out of the entrance, and I just felt awkward standing there. Maybe I will come back with another smaller camera. But for now, take care. See you in the next one.